So today we're going to look at these headphones. These are the Sivga wooden headphones. Now, these came up on my search because I don't know if you guys have ever heard of Maze. They started off as a Kickstarter like a few years ago, and then now they make some pretty well reviewed and very good high-end headphones. I mean, their highest end headphone, the Empyrean, the Maze Empyrean. I don't know if I'm saying that right. It's like a $4,000 headphone. And then they have their other ones like their 99 Classics, which is also a wooden headphone. And then they made an entry level one called the Neo, which is more plastic. So I was looking for those headphones on Amazon, and this thing popped up too, Sivga. And they had some pretty good reviews on a few of their headphones, and they're wooden also. So number one, I've always wanted a wooden headphone, and number two, I always wanted to get an open back headphone. So this fulfills both. It's both a wooden headphone and it's an open back headphone. So these ear cups right here, this wooden ear cups, are supposedly handcrafted. So, and a lot of the reviews have said that these headphones are like probably like a premium look at a budget price. So that's what we're gonna look at. Let's unbox it. So here is the shiny little box. You know what? Let me take off the plastic so it won't be so reflective. Okay, got the plastic removed. That's less reflective, right? So like I said, these popped up when I was searching for the Mazes, the 99 Classics. And those Mazes 99 Classics, they're also wooden headphones. Those are like 309. So between 309 and these Sivgas, which you can get on Amazon for, like, at the time that I ordered it, $93.99, I think it was. Now their wooden headphones come in, I think they have 4 different types of wooden headphones. They have the SB004, SB005, SV006, and 007 are their on their SV line. So the 007, the 005, and the 004, this one, are all open back, and then the 006 is a closed back. Now I had a hard time trying to pick between the 004 and the 007, but then thankfully I saw a review from this guy. I'll put his link on the description, where he said that the SV04s are more for you bass heads. And guess what? I'm more of a bass head. So that's why I picked the SV04 over the SV07. The SV05, I was not thinking of the SV05 because I heard that the sounds on that one was just it wasn't as good as the first two. The SV07 was probably more detailed, and then the SV04 was more for bass heads. So let's take a look at the box. Enough talking. So here on the front, you have the picture of the headphones. Sivga right here, classical type. And right here on the bottom, it says the sounds of nature. And then SV004. Here on the left side, you've got the picture of the headphones again, and then the model number here on the bottom, and then Sivga worldwide headphones right there. And here on the right side, it's got the different colors, as you can see. So you have walnut, rosewood, and black. I picked rosewood. I thought the rosewood, from what all the reviews that I've saw on YouTube and on the internet, I thought that was the best color. At least for me it was. Okay, so looking at the back of the box, you got your specs where it says product parameters, and then a warning about hearing. So you can pause that, read it for yourself. You got sivgaaudio.com right there. On the top and bottom is nothing. So overall, pretty nice presentation. It's going to be It's gonna catch quite a few people's eyes if this was in a store with this retail box right here. So to unbox the Sivgas, just like most headphones I recently reviewed, you have to remove this outer sleeve right here. And let me just tell you, this sleeve, see, even now, is super tight. And I was getting ready to just tear this outer sleeve up because it was so tight. I don't know if you guys can see, like, see how this is all dented up because I was trying to push it out. But anyways, man, that was pretty. I was gonna like just hulk out and just rip the whole box apart and everything. But anyways, I don't like doing it because I want to keep my boxes in pretty good condition just in case I have to return it or I want to resell it. So here the inside box just has your Sivga in like silver, your Sivga name in silver, and it shines through, pretty shiny lettering. And then you just unfold it. It's got like this magnetic flap that holds it into place, as you guys can see. And once you open it, you get a pretty nice carrying case. We got the carrying case. Underneath the carrying case, you get your, it looks like this is the instruction manual. It says SV004 Wooden headphone. And headset accessories. So it's telling you what's included in a getting started guide. Warning. And that's about it. So here are your extras. You get the carrying case. That's pretty cool. Some of my more expensive headphones from like Bear Dynamic and others didn't even come with the carrying case. I always appreciate it when they include a carrying case. And here is the headphones themselves. So the rosewood looks a little brighter than what I would have thought. I thought they would have been a little more reddish or darker. The bag, this carrying bag makes up for most of the weight in the packaging, because when I picked up the box, it felt pretty heavy for headphones. So before we look at the headphones themselves, so right here you get this Sivga card. It says 10% off. This is probably their like warranty card and everything. You got a QR code right here. So I'm gonna put this up close. You guys can pause that and read it for yourself. Let's look at the accessories. What we get. So you get an airplane adapter right here for your when you're on a flight. I don't know if you would want to take these on a flight though, because they're open back, and so people could probably hear what you're listening to. And then you got your 6.3 inch or 1/4 inch adapter. And then you got two cables. And they're both braided cables. One of the cables is like a silver and black, and the other one is pure black. And okay, so the silver and black one, it looks like this is the one that has your I don't want to unroll this because okay, so the silver one is the one that has your inline controls, volume up down, calling feature. So it's probably going to be your standard like 3-foot cable. Okay, so this silver and black braided cable with the inline controls, there it is a 3-foot long cable. And so this would be, it seems like it's going to be longer, your 6-foot cable. This is the one that you want to probably use when you're at home most of the times. So like you can sit back in your sofa or couch or chair while you have this plugged into like your entertainment center or your audio DAC or something like that. Yeah, this one is much longer. about like twice as long as the other one. I like this. Feels like it's quality. There's a, you even have this like, what is this, like spring or coil right here, so it doesn't like the wires don't like, what do you call that, they don't like kink or crown or yeah, they don't kink up or get messed up. And remember, the wires are always the first things to go in headphones, at least for wired headphones. And regardless if it's the 6.35 adapter or the airplane adapter or the regular plugs right here, they're all braided and they're all gold plated. So far so good. I like that. Seems like they're pretty good quality. So before we look at the headphones themselves again, I just want to tell you that they have this foam. What is this, like soft foam padding on the inside of the bag to keep your headphones well protected, and the inside lining feels like soft, like satin or velvet. So all around, very good unboxing, very good presentation from Sivga. Now let's get to the actual headphones. So here are our wooden headphones. Like I said, in the pictures they look more reddish and dark, and then the walnuts were like a darker brown shade. I was expecting them to be darker, like, or more reddish looking. So as far as weight goes, they seem just a little bit heavier than my Bear Dynamic wired headphones and my Audio Technica, but a little bit lighter than my two heaviest headphones, my Bluetooth Victories and my Waves KT1. So the headband is very soft, very plush, and same with the ear cups. And they got like these holes or mesh in them, so you could probably like make it better for breathability, so your ears won't sweat as much. At least that's what I think they're designed for. There's a soft lining on the drivers and the inside of the cups. And right here, it feels cold and metallic. It is metal right here where the headband is. The headband is all metal, and it stretches out pretty good. And do they have numbers? These are supposed to be foldable too. They swivel. Do they fold? No, they just turn. They turn 180 degrees, like so. But they won't fold. I thought they did. Yeah, they're not going to fold the other way. I don't want to break these. So the insides, it does not look like they have numbering, but they have these like little ridges where you can probably mark out your size, as you can see. You know what I don't see? Oh, I do see them now. They're on the outside. So on the outside, on the headband, right above the ear cups, you have your L for left, and then R for right. And the wood feels really soft. Is this actually wood? Let me smell this. Yeah, it is wood. It smells like wood. It smells like my chair, which is wood. So I'm gonna say it's wood. And then the grills, these grills right here feel like they're made out of metal too. So it is a pretty good build quality for this. Has, I think, a better build quality than these headphones, my Bear Dynamic. And Bear Dynamics are known for their build quality, but this is a $300 headphone, noise canceling headphone, that's made all out of plastic. Now don't get me wrong, plastic is, when people think of plastic they think cheap, but plastic is used in all kinds of applications, like your riot shields. Some of your bulletproof glasses are made out of plastic. So I'm not going to knock plastic, but as far as premium goes and feel, this feels more premium. From the headband being made all out of metal, and it's cold to the touch. This part right here could be metal, it might be plastic, but all in all, it's a very good feeling headphone. Very good feeling. I'm gonna try them out real quick and see how they feel on my head, and in the full review you guys will see how it looks when I'm wearing them. But for now, let me just try them out and see how they feel. Okay, so they feel pretty good in the head. There's the clamping force on the headphones is not too much. It's just right. At least for my head it is. And they're light you feel light once you put them on your head. When you're holding them, compared to other headphones, they feel a little heavier than others, but that's probably because of the wood. But they're very comfortable. There's good amount of clamping to hold them into place, but not too much to make it uncomfortable. I feel like I could wear these for hours. You know what they say, if you can wear your headphones without listening to any music and you forget that you're wearing them, they're comfortable headphones. So as far as the padding goes, the padding could be a little bit softer, at least on the ear cuffs, the ones on the head, and I'm bald headed, so I didn't feel it that much on the top of my head. It was real soft. But like the softest ear cups that I have and most comfortable would probably be the ones right here from my Anchor Soundcore Life Q20, and then the Bear Dynamics. But actually the most comfortable headphones that I have for wearing, my niece has them, and that would be my Treblabs Z2's noise canceling headphones. Those are really comfortable to wear. So for comfort, I'm gonna say out of all, from most of the headphones that I have, it takes third place for comfort. If these ear cups would have been softer, then it would have gotten first. But I believe you can replace these ear cups. Yeah. So the ear cups are replaceable, just in case you want to get different ones. And I've seen a review where someone said they recommended getting like the Brainwaves ear cups or something like that for them. So far so good in this unboxing, except for getting this sleeve out that was so hard to get and remove. So far so good. The headphones are really nice. They feel and look very premium, and yet they're under $100. So far so good. So that is it for the unboxing. Full review coming soon. If you guys haven't already, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest going ons and great workout tips. So that is it for the unboxing. Until next time, everybody stay safe, stay healthy, take care, and we will see you soon for another video. Have a great day.